Namaste. Seeking the divine blessings of Sri Narasimha Prabhuji, my Guru, the founder of Light of Self Foundation. I am offering these two bhajans on Lord Anjaneya today. The first one is in the Raga Saveri. Sari Mapa Das Sani Da Pa Magari Sa Sari Mapa Da Sa Sani Da Pa Magare Sa. It is in the Raga Aditala. Mahavira Hanumanta Rama Bhakta Hanumanta Mahavira Hanumanta Rama Bhakta Hanumanta Anjani Putra Vayu Suputra Vajrakaya Hanumanta Anjali Putra Vayu Suputra Vajrakaya Hanumanta Mahavira Hanumanta Rama Bhakta Hanumanta Sarva Dukkha Hara Sarva Roga Hara Bhava Bhaya Nashaka Hanumanta Sarva Dukkha Hara Sarva Roga Hara Bhava Bhaya Nashaka Hanumanta Shauryadayaka Mangaladayaka Bhaktavatsala Hanumanta Shauryadayaka Mangaladayaka Bhaktavatsala Hanumanta Mahavira Hanumanta Rama Bhakta Hanumanta Daitya Kulantaka Rama Katha Lola Loka Puja Hanumanta Daitya Kulantaka Rama Katha Lola Loka Puja Hanumanta Mantra Swarupa Yantra Swarupa Tantra Swarupa Hanumanta Mantra Swarupa Yantra Swarupa Tantra Swarupa Hanumanta Mahavira Hanumanta Rama Bhakta Hanumanta Anjaneyane Marutatmajane Kesari Sutane Manojane Anjaneyane Marutatmajane Kesari Sutane Manojane Sita Rama Pada Sevakane Meenakshi Preetane Varadatane Sita Rama Pada Sevakane Meenakshi Preetane Varadatane Mahavira Hanumanta Rama Bhakta Hanumanta Mahavira Hanumanta Rama Bhakta Hanumanta Rama Bhakta Hanumanta Rama Bhakta Hanumanta The second bhajan is in the raga Hamir Kalyani. It's set to Aditala. Samagapamada Danisa Salidapamariye Samagapamada Danisa Salidapama Marisa Anjaneya Namo Namo Adbhuta Charita Namo Namo Anjaneya Namo Namo Adbhuta Charita Namo Namo Mukhya Prana He Jaya Hanumanta Muni Jana Vandita Paramananda Mukhya Prana He Jaya Hanumanta Muni Jana Vandita Paramananda Ramaduta Namo Namo Rakshasa Kada Namo Namo Ramaduta Namo Namo Rakshasa Kada Namo Namo Pavana Kumara Pavana Charita Ramadas Jaya Shri Hanumanta Pavana Kumara Pavana Charita Ramadas Jaya Shri Hanumanta Anjaneya Namo Namo Adbhuta Charita Namo Namo Anjaneya Namo Namo